Tell me all about it now. Tell me a story. Tell me what's going on. Come on. Can you say I'm 4 months old today? Huh? Can I say that? Can I say I'm 4 months old today? Can you sing a song? Tell me all about it. Come on. Are you sure? Huh? Do you know any more? Can you tell me a story? Huh? Can you say, I'm Granny's girl? Can she say, I'm Granny's girl? Tell me a story. Come on, tell me all about it. Yeah. That's it. That's a pretty story. Do you know any more? Does she know any more?